Hello again, and welcome to Chef on a Boat. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I've got a lot of sourdough discard left over from this sourdough starter that I've been feeding, which quite frankly, given this time of Corona, you may have been playing with sourdough starters as well. Now with the discard, there's a lot of things you can do with it. And today we'll be making sourdough crackers. They're very easy to make, simple, and they go great with cheeses or my favorite, salmon rillettes. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Now you can also make these crackers gluten-free, as I'm doing here. I'm actually using a gluten-free flour, as I picked up a 25-pound bag on sale at a restaurant supply store. My sourdough starter happens to be a mix of the gluten-free flour and millet flour. I tend to mix the ingredients first with a spatula, but you could just dive in with your hands right from the start. Once I have a nice ball of dough, I divide it into two, and then I wrap it into a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for a bit to chill. Alright, it's chilled for a bit. Now I'm going to roll it directly on the parchment paper because it makes it so much easier than trying to roll on the counter or cutting board and then transferring over. If you notice, I have folds on my parchment paper that lets me know where the border of the pan is. And when I'm rolling out the dough, I just trim off any of it that goes past the border and I add it to other spots. Now it's time to cut the crackers before going in the oven. I'll do it in about 1.25 inch squares or rectangles, but I'll leave the size up to you. Some people like larger crackers, others smaller. It really helps to take a fork and poke holes in the crackers. This allows the steam to escape and helps the crackers to get crispier. There are a lot of options with these crackers. You can sprinkle them with Dole flakes or with other toppings or even with herbs. Or you can mix in the herbs as I did with this batch, adding dried rosemary and thyme. And that's it. We're all done with this batch. Now time to do the next batch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.